Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates Worldwide. The first company is Epic Enterprises. Post is Senior Sales and Sales Executive. Products are CR, DR, X-ray, CM system. Location is at Indore. Qualification is graduate or diploma in biomedical engineering. Experience must be within 2 years. Contact the person for further details. Godrej Memorial Hospital. Post is biomedical engineer. Number of post vacant is 1. Location is at Mumbai. Qualification must be BE diploma in biomedical engineering. Experience must be within 4 years. Contact the number for further details and send your resume to the given mail. Crooks Medical Systems and Services. Post is application sales specialist. Products is cardiac therapy devices. Location is at Tamil Nadu. Qualification must be BE Biomedical. Experience starts from 1 to 3 years in the relevant field. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail. Allenges Medical Systems Limited. Post is service engineer. Products is radiology. Number of posts vacant is 3. Location is at Ahmedabad. Qualification is diploma or degree in biomedical engineering. Experience must be within 2 years. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Amigo Medical Devices. Post is service engineer. Products are ventilator, monitors, anesthesia machine. Location is at Pune. Qualification must be diploma or graduate in biomedical electronics or instrumentation. Experience must be within 1 year. Two-wheelers or must. Send your resume to the given mail. Teramo Penpol Private Limited. Post is service engineer. Product is blood banks equipment. Location is at Indore. Qualification must be diploma in EC engineering. 2-year experience is must. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Lennox Technologies. Post is junior electronics engineer. Products are X-ray and ultrasound. Location is at Kanpur. Qualification must be BTech or MTech in medical engineering. PCB design must be must. 2 years or more than that experience are available. Contact a person and send your resume. Phoenix Medical Systems Private Limited, Chennai. Post is field service engineer. Products is neonatal equipments. Qualification must be diploma or BE in biomedical engineering. Location is at Hubli. Send your resume to the given mail ID and contact the person for further information. Meridian Life Care. Post is service engineer. Products is all type of lab equipment. Location is at Punjab and Haryana. Qualification must be BE biomedical or electronics. Freshers are also available. Corporate experience must be more than 1 year. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Jahangir Hospital. Post is biomedical engineer. Male candidates are preferred more. Number of posts vacant is 1. Location is at Pune. Qualification must be BE or diploma in biomedical. 5 years experience is available. Candidates who are target oriented need to apply. Akash Medical Equipment. Location is at Ambattur, Chennai. Brand and products are medical infusion pump. Number of vacancies at Madurai, Karnataka and Delhi, each with 1 post. Send your resume to the given mail ID and contact the person for further details. M-Man Medical System. Post is sales executive. Products are X-ray, ultrasound, ECG. Location is at Tiruvarur, Mayiladuthurai, Tiruvarur and Chennai. Qualification must be BE Biomedical or in Biomedical Electronics. Contact the person for further details and send your resume to the given mail ID. Lakshmi Surgical. Post is application specialist. Number of post vacant is 1. 100% field job is available. Location is at Chellam. Qualification must be BSc, MSc or BE in any science related field. Contact a person and send your resume to the given mail. SS Enterprises. Post is sales engineer. Number of posts vacant is 4. All type of OT instruments must be practiced. Experience must be within 4 years. Contact the person for further details and send your resume to the given mail. SK Medical Services. Post is trainee engineer and service engineer. Equipments are X-ray, CM and CT scan cath lab. Location is at Mumbai Central and Maharashtra. Experience can be anything. Freshers are also available. Send your resume to the given mail and contact the number. Aeonian Biomedical, post is sales engineer, products is all type of equipment. Location is at Visakhapatnam and Vizianagaram. 2 years experienced candidates are also accommodated. Send your resume to the given mail and follow their website for further applications. JSW Multispeciality Hospital. Location is at Bellary, Karnataka. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of vacant posts is 1. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Freshers are also eligible or corporate experience with 1 year people is also available. Language known must be English, Hindi and Kannada. Sri Satya Sai Sarla Memorial Hospital. Job title is Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 3 years. Qualification BE or BTech in Medical Electronics or Biomedical Engineering. Location is at Chikkabalpur. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail ID. Bionics Medical Service India Private Limited. Position is Biomedical Service Engineer. Location is at Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, India. Contact the website for further details. Send your resume to the mail ID. Kaveri Hospital. Position is Senior Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Alvarpet, Chennai. Qualification must be BE Biomedical Engineering. Contact the number for further details and interested candidates can send your resume to the given mail ID. A1 Meditech Private Limited. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Send your resume to the given mail ID and for further queries, contact the number given and follow their website. Panimalar Medical College Hospital. Post is Senior Biomedical Engineer, Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of post vacant is 2. 3 years experienced people are preferably allowed. Location is at Chennai. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Send your resume to the manager email given. ITSA Hospital. Post as Junior Biomedical Engineer. All type of medical equipment practice should be there. Number of post vacant is 1. Location is at Raipur. Qualification must be BE, BTech or Diploma in Biomedical Electronics or Instrumentation. Freshers are also available with 6 months internship. Medway Group of Hospital. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Products is all type of medical equipment. Location is at Chennai. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical. Freshers are also available for this post. Contact a person with the given number. Send your resume to the given mail ID for further application. Reputed healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India. Post is Service Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Industry products are all type of devices with ultrasound. Location is at Mumbai. Qualification must be BE, BTech or anything in diploma. Healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India. This post is only for female graduates or any male graduates. Post is Sales Engineer. Number of post vacant is 1. 2 to 4 year experience in sales or preferably more in medical devices. Send your resume to the given number. Novel Patent Services. Location is at Andhra Pradesh. Job type is full time. Application process must be done by forwarding your resume to the given mail ID. Minimal 1 year experience is needed. Freshers are also eligible with a proper graduation in MTech or Masters in Biomedical. Abable Healthcare Private Limited. Role is Biomedical Service and Sales Engineer. Location is at Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Salary expected is 20,000 to 50,000 per month. Job type is full time. Contact the HR with the given number and send your resume to the application. MECCOM Services Private Limited. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Location is at Hyderabad, Hubli and Miraj. Experience must be 1 to 2 years in the relevant field. Send your resume to the given number or mail ID quickly for application. Profound Meditech. Post is Sales Engineer. Location is at Chennai. Products must be all type of medical devices. 1 year experienced candidates are available. Qualification must be any of the degree in the relevant field. Share your resume at the given mail ID. If any queries, contact the given number. CareMed. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Industry type is hospital. 3 plus years experience people are mostly available. Location is at Chennai. Join immediately. Female candidates are only available for this post. Contact the number for further details. Thank you. Stay tuned for further updates.